Then a swimming pool is 20 meter in length, 15 meter in breadth and 4 meter in depth. What is the cost of plastering its floor and walls of 42 per meter square? तो इसका आंसर है 124,360. Developing an understanding about patterns is considered essential for teaching algebra. Which of the following represents correct reason for the given statement? इसका आंसर है 2. Patterns are associated with generalization. Which among the following is or are the purpose of formative assessment? तो इसका आंसर है 3. A and C. Making assessment a part of teaching and providing feedback to the children. Which of the following statement is that true? इसका है D only. The square root of a prime number is not a rational number. सिर्फ ये true है. Which among the following is the most appropriate method of proof for proving that square root 2 is an irrational number? So इसका आंसर है contradiction, which is 2. Next is Rajiv invested a sum of 7,000 at 20% per annum for itne years, compounded half yearly, and his friend Amit invested a sum of 8,000. What is the difference between interest received by Rajiv and Amit at maturity? इसका आंसर है 4,637 rupees. A pie chart is constructed for the following data. ये थोड़ा लेंदी सा था, तो ये एक डेटा दे रखा है, तो इस वाले का आंसर है 4th, which is 27.2 degree. Next is if x, y, z are respectively the number of faces, vertices and edges of a triangle pyramid, then तो इसका आंसर है 4th, 2x plus 3y minus 2z is equal to 8. Test which provide information about the relative performance of members of a specific group of students are called, इसे कहते हैं norm reference test, which is 4. Which of the following is an effective teaching learning material to introduce basic concepts such as shapes, perimeter, area and characteristics of polygons? इसका आंसर है 4, which is geoboard. If x upon y is equals to इतने, then the value of इतने is, तो ये इस तरीके वाला जो क्वेश्चन है इसका आंसर है 3, which is 265 upon 9. The height of cylinder is 3 times the radius of its base. If the area of the base is 616, then what is the capacity in liters of the cylinder? तो यहाँ पे आपको फॉर्मूला पता होना चाहिए, वॉल्यूम वगैरह का लगाना है, और इसका आंसर आ जाएगा 1, which is 25.872. The value of ये दे रखी है स्क्वायर रूट में, इसकी वैल्यू निकालनी है, इसका आंसर आ जाएगा 3, which is 215 upon 84. Okay. Then, while teaching the concept of discount on items, a teacher can plan a trip to a local market. The most appropriate reason for this is, number 1 is it would provide opportunity to students to see different advertisements related to sales and to discuss with shopkeepers how to calculate it. So this is the answer. Last but not the least, if ये एक इक्वेशन दे रखी है, then what is the value of इतने, तो ये सॉल्व करके इसमें वैल्यू पुट करनी है, तो इसका आंसर आ जाएगा 2, which is 2. लास्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर इज़ नॉट डिविजिबल बाई 72, तो ये डिविजिबिलिटी रूल लगा के आप कर सकते हैं इसे. इसका आंसर है 1, विच इज़ 95142. सो ये था मैथ्स का 8 फरवरी का पेपर, और ये सारे ऑथेंटिक आंसर्स हैं. अगर आपको जानना है कि ये कैसे सॉल्व करना है, तो इसके लिए एक बड़ी वीडियो मैं बना दूँगी. बाकी आप चेक कर सकते हैं अपने आंसर्स, ये सारे अच्छे मतलब ऑथेंटिक आंसर्स हैं. बाकी अगर आपको और देखना है CDP के, साइंस के, इंग्लिश के, हिंदी के, तो उसके भी शॉर्ट्स आ जाएंगे. कमेंट करिए और अपना स्कोर बताइए कि आपका मैथ्स का क्या स्कोर रहा.